Alright, today we're testing a normal DeWalt Jigsaw and the much newer DeWalt Jigsaw on battery. So let's see what the difference is. I took an extra long blade, so first we'll make some cuts with the DeWalt Jigsaw on battery. Pretty quick and nice. Let's change over to the other one. Ooh, the blade is hot. As you see, the mechanism for the old one is a little bit more stubborn than you would like. Let's see how this one goes. Increase the speed. There's a speed button just underneath the button you use to start and stop. Put it at its highest speed. Surprisingly, it has a lot less power than the other one. This one says 550 watts. And the other one doesn't say wattage. The speed regulation is right on the bottom here. Works pretty well. But one of the things, well, when we use it, we find quite annoying is this little lever, because you hit that with your hand a lot of times, and then when you're cutting, it slides backwards or forwards, and then it's not stable anymore. So it does have all kinds of notches, so you can change the angle, pull it back, and you have a set angle. But I think they should have put this ledge somewhere else. The locking mechanism for the blade, well, that one is a lot better and a lot easier. But compared to other ones that the battery is on the back, I do not really prefer it. So I would like to see the ones where the battery is either more on the top, but the balance with the battery like this, that's pretty good, and you saw it cut pretty quick. For this one, it's also a much more older model. It works, and because the adjustment for the angle is here on the bottom with the key, a Torx key, a Torx key or a flathead, as you can see, it's much easier to keep in line. I do not, well, the mechanism for releasing the blade is not, I don't think it's as good as the blade mechanism of the new one. New one, the blade mechanism is a lot easier to use, easier to put in. And easier to handle. Overall, pretty good jigsaw, but I think that there are better models.